Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here. Today I am going to be making some stickers for my daughter. So Liene, they're celebrating that their Pixcut S1 sticker printer, it's been 700 days since they first launched this product. So it's so excited. So they're having a swap the first sticker of this chapter promotion. And as I'm making these stickers for my daughter, I'll talk to you a little bit about how you can get in on the promotion as well. So my daughter is moving into a new apartment, and I thought it would be fun to make her some stickers. So I am using the sticker paper. It's the 4x7 sticker paper, and this is the enhanced sticker paper, so it sticks really well. And I have created on my Pixcut a little collage of some stickers to send to her. So I'm just going to go to my projects, and I have these fun little stickers that I made. So I have the magic of new beginnings, and then just some fun little stickers that represent moving in and a new apartment, because her new apartment is going to have a pool. So that is really fun and exciting. And these are really easy to make. They have thousands and thousands of stickers on their app here. You can adjust the border of the stickers, but I think I'm going to keep them. I might make it just a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make it like 1.3. So the border will be a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to hit cut, and it's preparing, and it will start cutting the sticker. Well, it'll start printing it first. So I really think this is a fun collaboration and promotion that Liene is doing, and you can also get in on the fun by creating some stickers and share them with someone and capture the moment of you sharing those stickers with that someone. And if you post that on Instagram, you have a chance to win an iPad or a themed sticker pack. And I'll have all the details down in my description box below. But you'll want to have the hashtag Pixcut 700 days, hashtag Liene, and hashtag Pixcut S1, and then tag Liene at Liene Photo Printer. And again, I'll have all that down in the description box below. But what a fun way to try to win an iPad. And you can use your iPad with your Liene products. And so that's, you don't have to use your phone. But I'm really excited. My daughter, she's very excited about her new apartment and, you know, new beginnings for her. So I thought, what a fun way to commemorate this by having some stickers for her. And she can put these in her journal or in her diary planner and kind of remark, you know, how the day goes, moving in, and you know, all the fun things about beginning. So you can see it's now printed them, and they're super cute. And then now it's going to start cutting them. So in the amount of time that I've been talking, it is already making the stickers, printing them and making them all in one machine. You don't have to use multiple machines. It's super easy and super quick. They have so many cool designs on their app, and you can also create your own. So if you like working in Canva or in Adobe, you can create your stickers over there, and then you can upload them to the app, the Liene app, and use those as well. And there we go. So now I'm going to show them to her before I mail them off to her and see what she thinks. So I've made you some stickers, and this is in honor of you moving into your new apartment. So you
New beginnings.
New beginnings. So you can capture them. So I'm going to put these in the mail to you. But here they are. Can you see them?
The keys are so cute. The magic of new beginnings.
Do you like it?
I love. Okay, let me see all of them.
Okay.
Oh, the umbrella for the pool.
Yes.
Love. And the balcony.
Yes, because you have a balcony.
And me being a strong woman moving by myself.
Exactly.
I see her over there.
And her to-do list.
Yes. I know, I get that from you. Check it off. Mom, they look so good.
Thank you. I know they have such cute images in their app. And I thought you could put these in your planner or in your journal.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
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 And I think it'll be cute. I want to get a little calendar by my front door so I can keep a couple of those in there too.
I love that idea. All right. Well, I'm glad you like them. I'm going to get them off in the mail to you. Yay! So keep us posted.
I'll have to show you when they come.
Yes. Yes, that'll be great. Yes. Okay. I love you.
Too.
Well, that was so fun. Thank you all so much for joining me. And I hope you get inspired to make some stickers and join in on the fun with Liene and maybe have a chance to win an iPad or a sticker collection sheet. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.